Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So as I said in my last video last week, I said that the following weeks I will be sharing with you the bundt cake recipes. I already have the 20 recipes that I want to share with you. For this video, we're going to start from the chocolate bundt cake. This cake is just simple and moist. Everyone can make these cakes. To start this recipe, we add all the dry ingredients to the bowl, which is a sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, a pinch of salt. We add all the dry ingredients to the bowl, and we go to the next step. This cake takes about 1 to 2 steps to make this cake. Even if children can make this cake recipe. So we add eggs and oil. I'm not say the quantities because I'm gonna leave the link, the list of the ingredients in the description box for you. So now in this stage we start adding the water. We don't add the boiling water, just warm water or even hot but not boiling water. We start adding slowly for this cake. Okay, we mix it and we add the water in 2 steps. Then I like to use the spatula just to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated together, you know. And here I'm using the 20 centimeters cake tin. I normally use butter and the flour to add to my tin before they add any cake recipes. So before starting this recipe, my oven was on, you know. I like to turn the oven on before starting the recipe. I normally leave my cake to cool down before remove the cake from the tin. This cake I baked for about 35 minutes at 180 degrees. My oven is an electric oven, so I normally bake the cake at 180 degrees. So guys, if you enjoyed to watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be sharing with you 3 recipes per week. So if you have any recipe that you want to see making, let me know in the description box. I'll be very happy to make it for you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.